It's a rainy winter day in Southern Oregon, so it's the perfect day to get out my metallic watercolors and do a little collage project. I'm taking a fun online course with Kat Rains right now, and the assignment is we can only use 2 pieces of paper per little 2x2 square. So I thought I would just have fun with my metallic paints. I just love what metallics do when they're exposed to the light. So I'm showing you just a bunch of different angles of just the way they shine.